Hey YouTube, it's Eli. Welcome back to my channel for another video. Can you believe that a channel that is dedicated to starting YouTube channels does not have one single video talking about lighting? Well, let's change that.
Gotta cross the 300, cause I wanted a Bentley. I wanted a luxury, keyless entry. I got a poor man's Bentley. First soup was a Benz. Put up with the roof missing. Just wanted the status, no I couldn't afford it, but she was so hot over here.
Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna talk about how important lighting can be for your YouTube videos. And depending on what you're filming and your filming locale, your need for lighting is gonna change greatly. But one thing that remains the same is that you do need lighting. Now, before we jump into the breakdown of the various lighting that you may need, let's talk about how you can help us maintain this channel. YouTube like videos that performs very well. So if you do find any value in our videos, make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show your support. And if you're just discovering this channel, we drop weekly videos on how to get started on YouTube and also on gears that you may need to get started on your channel. Consider subscribing and turning on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Now, let's talk about lighting. There are multiple ways you can light your video. And today we're gonna focus on two, and that is the key lighting and the background lighting. And since I only film indoors, we're gonna focus on indoors lighting. First, key lighting. What is the key lighting? The key lighting is the main light that you use to light up your subject or your talent, in this case, yourself. As for me, I am using the Mount Dog softbox light kit. It came with two 88-watt light bulbs, one of which I have yet to open. And I have been using this kit for the better half of a year now. And as I said before, it is the main light for my video. So it is standing slightly behind my camera, just at a slight angle. And by the way, I will link down in the description Amazon links to all the lights that I talk about in this video. So if you want to grab any or all of them, you can go ahead and do so. Those links are going to be affiliate links. So if you do use them to get one of those lights, I will get a small commission, which in turn will be invested back into this channel to help us get you better content. Now, the second type of light you're going to need for your videos is your background light. And for this option, there is really no rules on what you can do. We're not going to go into all the details or all the different options that you can do for your background lighting. I'm just going to talk about the three different options that I use today. The first one is for my main background light. And for that, I am using the Viltrox LED light kit. And that one came with multiple diffusers that you can use based on the color that you're trying to go for. And that is the main background light that I have for my videos. As you can see over my right shoulder, I have a little pinkish red cube. And also, I don't know how well you guys can actually see that. Over my left shoulder, there is a blue reflecting light on my desk. And that is an actual LED strip that is underneath my tabletop. For those two lights, they don't really affect the background lighting as much as the Viltrox does. Those are just there for highlights. They both came with remote controls with multiple color settings that you can use, again, based on the mood that you're trying to go for in your video. And again, there is no rules to how you can light up the background shot for your video. It's up to you what you do. And like I said before, all of those lights are going to be linked down in the description. So if you do want to grab any of them, you can go ahead and use those links. That would really help out this channel. That is all I got for you guys today on lighting. So if you do find any value into this video, make sure to drop a like and comment down below what you learned or what you would have done differently. And thanks again for watching my video. I'll see you next time in the next video.
Time is money. Yeah, this ain't money. Don't grow on trees, so how I'm supposed to get some money? If I ain't thugging, I ain't pushing no weight. I ain't out here pulling up in a race. The ladies gon' love me, nobody gon' save me. I might just get a lawyer for my case. Yeah. Money and everything.